I made the sword with coffee stir sticks. Started this project by cutting a sword shape out of a coffee stir stick. The handguard is also made from a coffee stir stick. I fit the handguard over the handle and glued a couple of pieces to create a handle, then started on the scabbard for the sword. After some sanding and carving, it's coming together. These coffee stir sticks are really thin. I'm gonna make a really nice sword. I used some off-white paint to paint the scabbard, and I found this serpentine chain, and I put a pearl at the end of it. The chain is the strap that would hold the scabbard to the waist. The scabbard is decorated with a couple of gold pinstripes. It's not quite a two-handled sword, maybe more of a 1.5. The chain can also be used as a additional weapon, as a large pearl at the end of it. These coffee stir sticks are very thin. They made a really nice thin sword. I also put some little decorated pearls on the scabbard underneath the gold pinstriping. I used a white ribbon to hold the gold chain onto the scabbard. I also covered the handle with a white ribbon. Look how thin this is. I like it. Probably the thinnest sword I've made. It's coffee stir sticks. Some of them were kind of warped, so I had to find one that was very straight. I think it's going to make a nice sword. I painted the blade of the sword with a silver paint pen. The scabbard is, like I said, off-white, painted with acrylic paints. This gold chain has a loop that can go around the waist. When the chain's not in use, it could be wrapped up and the pearl tucked into the chain. It's been a while since I've made swords, so it was a fun project to do. There, now the chain is stowed away. The handle is also wrapped with black thread to give it more of a color to match the handguard. I decided to name it the White Dragon. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can get post notifications. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Feel free to ask questions. I'd love to hear some feedback. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.